beautifully spacious looking living room. यहाँ पर किचन एरिया में आपको मिलते हैं दो साइडेड platform. Master bedroom has been provided over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Runwal Timeless by Runwal Group, which is located at Sion Wadala East. Well, we are going to do this project sample flat tour. Regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail, but first let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey एक ऐसा real estate platform है जो directly connect करता है customers को with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, यानी कि the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms जहाँ पर अगर आप इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो आपके नंबर ढेर सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाते हैं and the result is you get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly with the developer. इसलिए यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए, book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. Well, Runwal Timeless by Runwal Group is going to be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel, जिसमें आपको मिलने वाला है एक single tower with 3 different wings, and it is going to be of ground plus 29 floors. इसमें आपको मिलने वाले हैं 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium apartments. Location and connectivity के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, so let me tell you that this project is going to have जो location है यहाँ से सब कुछ आजू बाजू में काफी नजदीक है, as well as जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसके आजू बाजू लाइक डेपो है एंड lot of open spaces there, so like you will get a nice beautiful view from here. And then बात करते हैं कि यहाँ से क्या क्या नजदीक है. So let me tell you that GTV railway station is just 2 kilometers from this location, as well as upcoming metro is hardly like a 4 to 5 minutes walking, and the monorail is just 3 minutes walking. You connect to the Eastern Express Highway in just 3 minutes. You connect to the Eastern Freeway in just 4 to 5 minutes, as well as you connect to the newly inaugurated Atal Setu in just 7 to 8 minutes. So वहाँ से आप easily नवी मुंबई, यानी कि यहाँ से आप easily नवी मुंबई पहुँच सकते हो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 40 minutes में. साथ ही साथ BKC corridor is here. BKC Wadala corridor is here, which connects you to BKC in hardly 15 to 20 minutes. And since the location is Wadala, so यहाँ से obviously you can also connect towards South Bombay very easily at an easy connectivity. Then बात की जाए अगर health care facilities के बारे में, schools and colleges के बारे में, so you get a good schools and colleges as well as health care facilities at an easy connectivity from this location. And when we talk about amenities, so this project offers 40 plus wonderful luxurious amenities with the likes of a jogging track, a rooftop jogging track, swimming pool, gymnasium, yoga center, fitness center, kids play area, senior citizen area, creche, and many more wonderful amenities. So yes, without any delay, let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are heading towards the 2 BHK sample flat of Runwal Timeless by Runwal Group, which is located at Sion Wadala East. It is of 667 square feet carpet area. So let's get inside and see the sample flat. So yes, this is the beautifully spacious looking living room. This is your seating area. This is your dining area. Easily a 6-seater to 4-seater dining table can be fitted over here. A beautiful spacious looking living room is what it has been given over here. And now let's go and see the balcony, that is the deck area that comes in the living room. Wow, look at this, a nice big deck area has been given over here. You can enjoy a beautiful view from here, especially if you're on the higher floor, and have a leisure time enjoying in your balcony. And the tiling that has been given is the vitrified tiling. Now let's get ahead and see the remaining part of the home. As we go ahead, this is the passage area that's been provided in between all the rooms. Let's first go to the kitchenette area. यहाँ पर किचन एरिया में आपको मिलते हैं दो साइडेड platforms. You get granite platforms as well as a stainless steel sink. This is how beautifully you can also design and customize your kitchenette area. A window has been given for your ventilation. Enough space has been given for your refrigerator as well. Right opposite to the kitchen area is your common washroom. Anti-skid tiling has been given, high-end sanitary fitting has been given, and a window for your ventilation. Quite a big, nice, spacious washroom. Now let's go and see the bedroom number 1 that's been given over here. A nice, elegant, beautiful bedroom has been given over here. Ample space for your bed, ample space for your wardrobe as well, and have French sliding windows have been provided as well. So yes, and now let's go to the bedroom number 2. But before that, let us know what does Housey actually do for you. Well, let me tell you that Housey में आपको मिलती है actual location tour. We also give you the sample flat tour as well. We let you know the pros and cons of every project. We give you a 360 degrees virtual project tour. We also give you all inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And if after all of this, अगर आपको ये flat पसंद आता है, ये project पसंद आता है, तो in 3 simple clicks आप कर सकते हैं अपनी फ्री साइट विजिट बुक। तो देरी किस बात की, जल्दी से जाइए अपनी फ्री साइट विजिट बुक कीजिए by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. And now let's quickly head to the master bedroom. So as we enter, this is the nice passage area that's been given over here. As we enter, यहाँ से right hand side पे you get your attached washroom. Nice big spacious washroom has been provided with anti-skid tiling, high-end sanitary fittings. And yes, let's go to our master bedroom. A nice big spacious, elegant looking master bedroom has been provided over here. Ample space for your king size bed as well as ample space for your wardrobe. And half French sliding windows have been provided as well. So yes, this is the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Runwal Timeless by Runwal Group, which is located at Sion Varala East. And this is of 667 square feet carpet area. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can just quickly go and click on the link mentioned in the description. As well as if you need details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. जाने से पहले हम आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहेंगे कि क्या आपने रुनवाल ग्रुप यानी रुनवाल बिल्डर से कोई प्रॉपर्टी परचेज की है? What is your review, your feedback on it? Let us know in the comment section because your feedback is very important for us and our viewers as well. And जाने से पहले you know the drill. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे like, share जरूर करें with your friends and family. We will meet you in the next video, but do stay subscribed with Housey for more details and more updates. And इस location के और बहुत सारे different project videos के लिए just click on the I button. चलिए मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में. Until then, bye bye and take care. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Runwal Timeless, located in Varala East by Runwal Group. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.